Here is the Grand Caravan, Cessna's most popular selling caravan model, ideal for personal or business transport. And arriving now is a van full of passengers going on an extended vacation. There's room for up to 10 people with all their luggage, a feat that few single-engine aircraft can accomplish today. This Grand Caravan is equipped with an Oasis interior for caravans. It's one of the most popular ways to travel in comfort and style. The Caravan's spacious cabin with a wide flat floor facilitates easy boarding for all passengers, and the Oasis seats are fully adjustable for maximum comfort. All Cessna Caravans are designed to land almost anywhere, including grass or gravel landing strips. This tough caravan landing gear extends your travel options from the largest cities to the most remote locations imaginable.